Immy Taylor is a renowned Instagram personality and content creator. Her ability to utilize a variety of channels has allowed her to develop a worldwide loyal and engaged fan base. In the year 2020, she auditioned for the opportunity to serve as a Varsany brand ambassador. Beyond Instagram, Immy extends her creativity to TikTok, further engaging with her audience through captivating contortionist theme posts that often feature picturesque backdrops like her backyard or the beach. She has shown off dance suites from the brand Cad's dancewear. Her talent and dedication to her craft have made her a rising star in the industry. Outside of Instagram, she also curates a TikTok account. Most of her contortionist themed Instagram posts are shot in her backyard or at the beach. Her journey as a social media influencer is a testament to her resilience and commitment to sharing her extraordinary skills with the world, leaving an indelible mark on the online community. She is doing exceptionally well across the board when it comes to her social media popularity. Immy's dedication to her craft is evident in her diverse content, which includes a TikTok collaboration with Anna McNulty set to the iconic tune Unwritten by Natasha Bedingfield. Through her digital platforms, Immy continues to inspire and entertain her growing audience with her unique blend of talent, creativity, and passion for acrobatics and contortion. She is a young, beautiful looking and gorgeous girl with an attractive and charming personality.